Late August usually brings one of Latin America's major cultural events to the dance halls of Buenos Aires, with tourists flocking to the Argentine capital to see the Tango World Cup and festival. But this year, dancers compete in isolation, recording themselves on video. They're judged online by viewers. Argentina registered a record number of daily infections this week and has extended lockdown to September the 20th. But the government is also looking to ease restrictions. And in many ways, this is what we're seeing across Latin America. The situation in many countries remains critical, but authorities are looking at ways to begin opening up. Latin America passed 7 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 on Thursday. While announcing the lockdown extension, Argentina's president issued a call to avoid unnecessary risk.
Que no naturalicemos los contagios, que son muchos.
We cannot get used to this high number of infections. We especially cannot get used to the number of deaths. What we need to do is stop infections, and if we do that, we will stop people dying.
But across the region, daily confirmed new cases remain among the highest in the world. Peru has one of the highest COVID-19 death rates per capita in the world and has extended its national emergency to the end of September. Yet to the north, Colombia announced it will begin reopening on September the 1st and is looking to resume international flights in the coming weeks. The region is involved in testing several vaccine candidates, and regional blocs like Prosur are working on agreements to produce and distribute approved vaccines. Governments are also working on plans to open South America's borders.
Será una reapertura.
It will be a gradual reopening of borders, depending on what stage of the pandemic we are at. There will be conditions. Chile, for example, will propose that those traveling have a passport and a negative swab test for COVID-19.
Brazil, with the world's second highest death toll, announced over the weekend it will be extending emergency aid payments to millions of its citizens during the economic turndown. But some 5 months since the first reported cases of COVID-19 in the region, the health, economic and social crisis grows deeper by the day. Joel Richards, CGTN in Buenos Aires.